A girl's side of the story, right? I come between wife 3 and 4. And I actually met Bob through Michael Helminski, whose brother is married to somebody I went to college with in Connecticut, and it goes on and on. Is this working?
Yeah.
Okay, wait 1 second.
We're on. You're a girl and you're between like 3 and 4. We're ready.
Okay, so I'm now 70, and I celebrated Bob's 40th birthday, and he was 10 years older than me, just to like put it in a little perspective. So I'm in sort of an earlier thing. I can't remember actually the first time I met him, but it was at the Helminskis, and somehow I got invited to come to his apartment. He was still married to Edria at the time, and it was for a photography job. And he was photographing, he was projecting images, bird images or joy images on my face and photographing me. By the end of the evening, I actually was naked to the waist.